She is a 25-year-old fitness model, making over $10,000 a month as an Instagram influencer. But she's not actually real, and there are also other AI influencers just like her, earning millions of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create one yourself and how to earn money with it. So the first step is to go to this website called Leonardo AI. Now click on Image Generation. Here you can see an empty space on the top where you can put your prompts. Now I want the AI to create 8 different images, and I'll turn on photoreal as well as alchemy. The aspect ratio is going to be 1:1. Then finally, I choose cinematic over here. Now as a prompt, I'm going to write a portrait of a really beautiful 26-year-old blonde girl, blue eyes looking directly at the camera. And in under 20 seconds, this is what the AI created. Now, you need to choose the face you want for your AI influencer. I will choose this one. Now, just click here where it says Download Image to have it saved directly on your PC. So once I choose the face, I need to keep it consistent for all the different images that the AI is going to create. So for that, first you need to download Discord. Then, inside the Discord app, you have to click on the plus icon to add a new server, and then give it a name. Now, you have to go over to the official Midjourney server, where you need to click on the Midjourney bot and add it to the server you just created. Now, you just need to click on the GitHub link given in the description that is going to bring you to this page right here. Just directly scroll down until you see this link. And by clicking on it, we are going to add the Face Swap bot to our server. Now, back to our server. You start by typing /saveID in the server and choose an ID name for your influencer. Next, you need to upload the source image here, which is in this case, the one that I chose earlier. The bot will then create your ID name and save it. So whenever you want to use the face of your AI influencer on another image, called the target image, you can just type /swapID and then enter the ID name you just created. And then upload the target image, for example this one. And in under 5 seconds, the bot performs a face swap that just looks perfectly done. Now, to save the image, just click on the image, and then you need to click here to download it. Now, just like this, you will be able to create different images for your AI influencer. Now, you could just make money from sponsors and shout-outs on Instagram using your AI influencer. But to be honest, the most amount of income AI influencers receive is from sites like OnlyFans or FanView, by uploading content that is classified as not safe for work content. And for creating that type of content, there is this site called Civit AI. Here, not only you can find a lot of different AI models to create images with, but it's also completely uncensored. You need to just click on Create. Now, choose the model that fits the style you want to go for. And of course, write your prompt. Then turn on Mature Content and click on Generate. Now, I can't show you the results obviously, but you can easily test it out and see them by yourself. And again, you can use the Face Swap bot to perform a face swap on these types of images too. In today's time, AI influencers might be the new norm. And trust me, this method has a very high earning potential. Now, imagine how much you could potentially earn if you start creating several different AI influencers and maybe even promote them on other platforms. So, I hope you got some value out of this tutorial, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this, and we will meet in the next video.